First of all, I think the benefit for the executive is to know that as we continue to grow our teams, there is that kind of scaffolded approach for training so that we can develop people based upon their own need. I think for the people who have participated in that training at the various levels, there's also an opportunity for them to meet counterparts. So whether they're participating in the roundtable for CFOs, or they're participating in the grant writing, the first level grant writing certificate experience, they're meeting other people, and so they can not only develop their own skills but get the perspective of other folks. I've long held the belief that it's always better to do those things in community rather than to do those development sessions in isolation. And I think a lot of organizations are moving toward webinars and other things that are all helpful, for me at least, refreshers, but not necessarily the kind of assistance that an in-classroom, in-training kind of experience would provide. And to do it here in a great space with great people, with high energy folks has been really very helpful to us.